Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sundri Thajura. Today I will show you how to use Google Drive in Windows 10. To use Google Drive, at first we need to go to Google Chrome. After we have opened it, you can see my screen that I have already pinned Google Drive in here and in the bookmark area too. So all you have to do is go to Google Apps menu and here you will get Google Drive very easily and other apps too. Okay, it's loading. It will take a bit of time. Now, so let's learn at first what is Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage that Google gives you to keep all your documents safe and secure in one place. And it has many features too. And from here you can create forms, docs, sheets, jams and many more types of document all by Google. Okay, so let's learn my parts. And let me tell you the example. It's just like Microsoft OneDrive and maybe you have used it. Okay, so let's learn by parts now. So first comes this search. Okay, using this search in Drive, you can search any document that is present in Google Drive. For example, PDF, any PDF. Okay, here you will get all the PDFs. Yeah, okay. This kind of PDFs are very necessary for me. Okay, this comes filter. Okay, from here you can choose any type. So let's choose. I'm choosing forms and let's search now. Okay, now only the Google Forms will appear here. No PDFs, no Google Docs or Sheets. Only Google Forms. Now I'm choosing photos and images. Only photos and images will appear at here. And now let's choose the owner. Okay, this option is anyone can be the owner, and this one is the option that is owned by me and not owned by me and other specific person. I'm choosing owned by me, and you can choose the location too. Shared with me, my drive. Okay, my drive. Select. Okay, location. Yes, you can choose from bin too and starred. Okay, we will learn about this time by time and date modified anytime. So here you can get last 7 days, last 30 days, 90 days, and here comes the custom. Okay, you can choose the date and you can enter file name. Okay, I'm searching with sounds. Okay, yes, all this is owned by me and type is image. Okay, as I'm in school, these are all my school files. Okay, then let's go to next. Here comes the new button. Using this new button, you can create any new folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and many more. And let's create Google Docs. Let's type something. Okay, I have typed my name is Sundri Thajra. Okay, you can edit this too. For example, I'm increasing the size. You can bold it, italic, underline too, and text color. Many more colors are here and custom you can choose too. Okay, when you are going to learn about Google Docs or you just opening it, will automatically learn by time all about this Google Docs. It's so easy to use and it's just like Microsoft Word 2013. Not fully. Okay, here from here you can undo, redo, and many more, and textiles. Okay, and here is our entitled document name. You can save with your name or any names, any specific name. For example, I am giving technical. Any name you can choose or some uniqueness name too. Okay, from here you can open comment history, and from here present in a meeting, and from here you can share to. And now let's go back. Okay, let's learn about. So the next comes my drive. From here you can see all the suggested files, folders, and many more. And here gets computer, and I have no computer since at all. So let's skip this because I cannot show you what's that because I have no computer since at all. Okay, shared with me. Here comes the files which are suggested and that are shared with me. Earlier this week, last week, all will appear here that are shared with me. And here comes the recent files. Yes, this one is untitled document. This one is doc scanner and many more. Here comes start. Yes. Now from here you can choose any document that can be starred. Okay, for example, I'm going to this and let's start this. To start this, all we have to do is click on this star. Okay, I've clicked and let's go to start menu, and yes, it's appearing here. Yeah, the same document. Okay, I don't need this, so I'm making it untitled. Okay, next comes bin. In this bin, you can get all files that you have deleted from Google Drive, and will be all deleted after 30 days, and you can empty the bin on a one click because I have no files deleted. As you can see, no items I've deleted, so nothing will show up here. If you have any files, it will be deleted after 30 days, and if you click on this empty bin, you can delete it anytime forever. Now then comes storage. Using this storage, okay, in this storage you get all your files in a drop down menu, and you get maximum of 15 GB, and you can buy storage too. Okay, so my one is this plan and we are in Google One. My plan is 15 GB, and 15 GB is totally free. Whenever you install and use Google Drive, you will get 15 GB free. And recommended one and basic 100 GB 130 per month and 1300 per year. Many facilities too, and standard 200 GB 210 per month 2100 per year. This is too much. And more facilities, and you can save 70%, 17% in all of these, and 17% in this too. Premium 2 TB, yeah, really that's too much, and many features also, but it's 50 per month and 6500 per year, much costly. And let's go back as I don't want to purchase anything. Now let's go to this in this side panel. Here comes calendar. Okay, you can access calendar, Google Calendar from here very easily. It's very easy to use and you can choose the time too, and this is gonna help you to manage your time and routine. And here comes Google Keep. Okay, you can write a note here. Okay, let's write a note. Yeah, I have written it, but actually I'm not hungry at all. Task. Here comes Google Task. You can add any task in here, and from here you can get add-ons. Okay, what is this? Let's see. Here comes Google Workplace Marketplace, and I will make a specific video on this at later. And from here you can hide this side panel. Now let's go to this portion. From here you can make this file ready for offline preview. Let's turn it on, and here comes Google support, and this comes settings, and from here you can edit keyboard shortcuts and see them too. Okay, many keyboard shortcuts are here, and here comes menus, uploads, create, application, go to, selection, and you can edit them too. Now here comes list view. Using this list view you can choose how to show these files in any pattern. And here comes view details. You can see details from here. Okay, goodbye. So subscribe to my channel and like the video, and please share the video at least. Help me to grow my YouTube channel, and the more updates will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.